So today I'm going to show you how to create this zombie pinup makeup look I created. By the way, before we continue, I did make my teeth with fake nails. I did it in the Melina video. I explained it when I did her teeth, and I'm doing the same thing here. But yeah, we got some teeth exposed, we got some brain exposed. I'm blind in one eye, so well, because you know I'm dead, only one eye is still for some reason living. So if you want to know how to become this pinup zombie girl, just keep watching. So starting off with the exposed teeth, I have made teeth out of nails again. I'm actually going to darken them a little later. To start off with the teeth, for the exposed part, I'm going to put liquid latex on top of the fake tooth. Take cotton and apply it, and it's going to help attach our tooth to our face. Adding liquid latex more on top of it. I want it to be where my teeth line. And also, it looks weird, but I want it to be where my teeth will hang if I open my mouth. I'm applying tissue on top to make the exposed part. Like paper mache, we're gonna go on top. Go make sure whenever you layer the paper, it's like I said, paper mache it. You're putting latex on top so it can soak. While the rest is drying softly, I'm going to use the tweezer to move it so it can be lifted and look more realistic when we color it in. Around lifting anything that's too down. You see here, make sure it's lifted. And please be careful when doing this if you're doing it with sharp tweezers, because these tweezers are sharp and I don't want you hurting yourself. Now for the brain exposed part, this is going to be the brain exposed part. So to make the brain texture, I am rolling cotton so we can have those squiggly, brain lines. Now for the opening, I'm doing the tissue here. Right now I'm going to lift this part of the skin. Well, the latex, so it looks like lifted skin for the exposed part. I popped on one of my contacts for my look, and luckily I'm doing one eye because I got these from TTDI, which is my favorite brand. But if you get all white, get their mesh ones, because that you're going to be able to see through. These I can't see through at all. Thank goodness this look is only one eye. I can make out what things are because of the lights, but other than that, nothing, I can't really see. So technically I'm doing this look with looking through only one eye. We're gonna put on foundation, but I don't need to conceal, make it look awake, because I'm gonna be dead. I'm going to put some on the tissue part as well, so I can start blending. grayish brownish color from my Artistry palette, I am going to contour. So contouring, I am going to see how I did my cheekbones, but I'm also going to drag it down a bit so it can look more hollow. And drag it down. You could blend it all down underneath. And go up a little. I'm gonna blend that out. Same thing here. The same way we contour the double chin, contour the double chin. I'll take another brush. I want to blend it out and soften it. I'm only putting concealer on top. I'm not putting any on the bottom. I do want to put some on the side of my nose. And I'm going to blend that out with my finger. With my One Size setting powder. I just want to set everything before we continue and blend everything out more. Make sure it's all inside my eye. Going back to the setting powder, I'm going to blend that all in. And it's okay if it looks this way because we're dead. Just do my normal crease. Nude shade for my brow bone. Going in with the same color we contoured with, I am going to deepen my eye sockets. A wing. So I'm only going to put mascara on the top lashes, not the bottom. One, so we can have more of that cat eye look, and two, because I want to look dead and I don't need bottom lashes. I'm putting this mascara on too because the other one's drying out. Now for my boring brow routine. I always make fun of my boring brow routine because I have a lot of brow hair. Bam, 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 bam. This is the She Glam pencil. The reason I don't use the gel that comes with it is because it's it's like dark, and I like the clear ones. And my favorite gel one that I had for like a couple years now, but it still works just as good as when I got it, is my Victoria's Secret Brow or Never. And that's why I hate when Victoria's Secret disappears. Makes their makeup disappear, because I love their makeup. Like, their makeup honestly is so good. It's always been, every time they came out with makeup, even before they got rid of their makeup line, I've always went into makeup. And I'm not talking about lip glosses and stuff. I'm talking about, like, I used to be obsessed with like their graphic liner and things like that. So their brow gel, now taking a orange shadow from the Artistry palette, I just want to use that as blush because I don't want anything rosy or pink. You know, a little cute, but still not like, oh, I'm rosy and I'm wide awake. No. And you see how, like, now I'm blending it down. With my liner, I'm going to line my lips. You know it, it's fine. I hate Kylie lip liners. I'm only using it because I cannot, because honestly, to look for my lip liner, I have a bag of lipsticks and lip liners and I couldn't find it through the other ones, and I have too many. So I asked my sister, but she only had Kylie, so I'm using Kylie. But I'm not a fan of Kylie lip liners. I just want to put it out there. They break all the time on me. The little, like the smallest amount of sharpening, it breaks or it falls out, and I think it's ridiculous. But yeah, back to this. Taking my NYX lipstick, which I prefer NYX lip liners. Those are my favorite lip liners. Black cream. Makeup I'm going to color here. I'm going to fill in black around the teeth. Don't worry if it gets on the teeth because we could just wipe it off with a Q-tip. And the reason I didn't do this first was because the liquid latex will stick on better, of course, with clean skin. So I didn't want to put makeup and then put it on top and then have all sorts of problems. I'd rather stick to clean skin. And now with this part, I'm going to put the lighter cream and I'm going to blend it with the black. Now I'm going to set this with setting powder so the cream can be dry. So, taking liquid latex, I am coating a piece of tissue that I rolled up and I'm going to take it and stick it here. And I'm going to keep adding more. Taking foundation, I am going to color these pieces. Taking the pink, I'm going to eyeshadow powder and I'm mixing like a maroon and a brown to make it more fleshy here. Just doing it at like the edge of the teeth part. Taking like a red, pink, and white and mixing it, I am going to now color the brain. So first I'm going to make this whole thing with the colors I mixed. With this brush, I'm going to go into my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to mix like a maroon and a light pink and go in here. Taking the light pink, I'm just going to blend that all in. We're back here with this one. I'm going to take a brown and I am going to shade in between and around the brain part. So you can tell there's something here and there's some shadowing. So it doesn't look so flat from a distance, although it's rising off the head. I mixed the light red with a plum color. I'm going to take it on a sponge and dab it around as blood around the edges of my mouth and my... Before we get to the end, I just want to say that the part with adding the fake blood, I just dabbed it around everywhere and also drew dripping spots. The problem is the video somehow is no longer in my phone, that part. So it's just gonna fast forward to basically after applying it and spraying my face down. And the posing part got deleted as well. So yeah, this is my finished look. It'd be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is... If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a brand new video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.